Hey, if you wonder how we can charge your Creative Zen Hybrid headphones, let me quickly explain. So first of all, the USB-C port is available right here on the left headphone. So right here we have to plug the USB-C cable. You can find one in your box, but you don't need to use the original cable. I'm using this cable. As you can see, this is actually a really dirty and used cable from my old Huawei smartphone. And it works really good with these headphones. And I'm plugging this cable straight into my PC, but when I'm outside and I need to recharge my headset, I'm using also this charging brick from my old Huawei phone. And it works really good. So it takes me around 1 to 1.5 hours to fully recharge this headset by using this old cable and old charging brick. So you don't have to actually buy any expensive cable or charging brick. So yeah, this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.